because I don't think that I've started it in at least a month after or before I left. So this one's been sitting for 3 months. I highly doubt there's any fuel in the bowl, but pump her anyways. Oh yeah, it's not gonna be happy. There she goes. This thing is impressively reliable. It does have a transmission leak, I think, but I'm pretty sure it might have fixed that, actually. That's not good. That wasn't hanging out before. This car is kind of dicked when it comes to... I'll make a more in-depth video later on, but the people that restored it did not do the greatest of jobs. And none of the dash gauges work besides speedo, as you would hope. The brights light for some reason stays on when the ignition's on, so I guess that's kind of nice. You can tell when your ignition's on or not just by peeking in here. No dome light. They literally cloth right over it with the headliner. The wire's right there, actually. Sometimes these guys stay down, sometimes they don't. Mouse has found its way in there. You know, that's nice. Cigarette tray kind of just sits there and dangles. You know, the door's kind of wonky. It won't let you out sometimes. I don't know other than that. Everything else can be kind of improved on otherwise. But this is a true 70 SS, so it is a real SS car. It's not a clone, not a fake, nothing to the above. If those pedals haven't been replaced, those are original 80,000 miles. Although I'm gonna guess, no, you know, the gauge does look really good, but then again, this could have been a really nice garage kept car that they bought and restored, so we don't know. But I would guess it's an 80,000 mile car. So, not a bad deal. So I'm gonna let this one run, let it clear its throat out. I don't know what exhaust is on it, but good God, it sounds awesome. Whoever did that did a great job. I'll give them that. It sounds like a belt needs replaced. It is a 396, aka the 402. Big block V8. It's not the biggest big block, but it is a big block. Honestly, this is a badass car. I mean, I love this thing. I'm a Dodge guy. I'll drive a Challenger, Charger, obviously a Ram pickup, Dakota, Durango, pretty much a good percentage of the Dodge Mopar vehicles. But oh man, I'm a Chevy guy too, because can I say more? That just sounds fucking cool. That and the 70 Chevelle to me is my favorite muscle car. Classic muscle car, classic car, whatever you want to call it. It's one of the best looking to me, and it's one of the probably the best sounding. I hate to say it. Of course, you can make most V8s sound good with a good exhaust, so. I got a sneaking suspicion it might be a MagnaFlow exhaust system, because it's got a nice low rumble, but it's not that loud. There's no cackle, which I love. I love that nice low rumble. If my Dakota wasn't such a pile of shit, I would start modifying it, you know, make it sound like that. Just do a whole bunch of other stuff. But, you know, can't do that when your frame's cracked now, can you?